Welcome to World Review Zones and other videos.
I recently joined a platform called Creator Contacts. It's a directory where creators like me list our rates and services completely for free so that sponsors can find us. If you're a brand looking for YouTube creators to sponsor, you can search by niche, location, subscriber count, and most importantly, the creators' listed rates and services offered with no guesswork. See what they charge before contacting them directly. Stop sending dozens of emails and waiting days to hear back about pricing. Find creators that match your campaign. I've listed my rates for things like sponsorship rates, product review rates, brand mention rates, collaboration terms, turnaround times, payment preferences, plus 31 additional fields, including exclusivity terms, usage rights, content licensing rates, and more. Other creators also use it to find editors, thumbnail designers, collaborators, even mentors. I'll leave my link in the description. It gets you to the site and gives you 5% off when you subscribe.